We've heard a lot about the criminal justice system lately, but what about the family judicial system? There's a candidate out there wanting to change the way it works. He's never held office, but you may know the name.
Belk. You see the name on department stores, universities, theaters. It's a name synonymous with Charlotte. Now you can see the name Belk on campaign signs and TV ads. Bill Belk, well-known Charlotte businessman, running for district court judge.
I've always been active in this community on trying to make it a better place. I'm just following my grandfather, my dad, and my uncle's footsteps.
Like many candidates in this year's election, Bill Belk is running to make change, but he's running for very different reasons than other candidates for change. Reasons that he says are very personal to him and others too.
That is the abuse of the court system, what they're doing to families when they go through divorce. It's all to generate income for the lawyers. The system is set up by lawyers for lawyers. They prey on you. They take people that are vulnerable and they keep them in court. They throw motions after motions, hearings after hearings.
If it sounds like Bill Belk is bitter, he may be. He suffered through a very public marathon divorce of his own and says that experience alone qualifies him to be judge.
Kids grow up in this fear, and this is what the legal system is doing in family court. They create fear with the children. How are we going to eat? Do I have a roof over my head?
Don Hubert agrees the justice system is broke. He says his divorce cost him over $100,000 in legal fees. He now has an acrimonious relationship with his ex-wife that could have been avoided, and he got thrown in jail once.
Women are getting the shaft just like the guys. I thought it was a guy thing, but the women been getting the short end of the stick as well.
But is Bill Belk's campaign personal? Presiding over his divorce was Judge Ben Thalheimer, the same judge who happens to be running opposite Bill Belk.
This is not a personal vendetta. This is something that I've always done all my life, get involved in causes on social justice.
Now, I contacted Judge Thalheimer as well as several divorce attorneys in town for a response to Mr. Belk's campaign, but did not hear back from anybody.